Biglang pumukol ng tres. Airball, baseball, pass break. Bang! Kumalimbitin pa. Sumigsag na. Side step, fades away. Bakit is good. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 para sa laban na National Capital Region versus Northern Mindanao Region 10. And a jump ball here. And first ball possession. And here's Team NCR, pass break. Binit, bit, easy, bucket. First block, 4. Drives. Recovered. Pull up J, number 10. Bucket is good. 2 on the free throw line. Pasok para sa NCR. Nasupalpal. And ball possession here for Team NCR. Pass break. Sakto yung pass. Pinabitin. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. 6-2 score. Here teams Northern Mindanao number 9 sumasayaw. And stops. Natapikan. Naagawan na naman. Pass break ngayon ulit. Left lays up. Easy bucket again. Na good. And here's Team NCR again. Pass to the corner. Drives. Fires off the window. Easy bucket. And here's Northern Mindanao number 11. Stop. Pass to the middle. Pass to the corner. Floater shot. No good. Recovered. Takes. Floater again. Bucket is good off the glass. A good rebound number 2. Pass break. Number 31. Napakabilis. And a friendly roll. Pass break. And again. Dunk! Sumalaksak. Traffic area. Ooh, may foul. Sa gitna kaldag. Pick. Splash. Floater shot. Easy bucket. And here's Team NCR. Pass to number Supalpal. Step back, launches 3, bang, bullseye. And here's Team NCR. Sumegway, number 24, cross pass. He stops, pass to the middle, spins, floater, bucket is good. And crosses the mid lane here. Number 11. Nagda-dance-dance si Idol. Drives, pass inside, natapalan, and the bounce pass. Naagaw ng Northern Mindanao. And nakuha pa rin ng Team NCR. Binit bit and easy basket. Here's the backdoor inbound. Fakes. Pass to number 24. Pass to the middle. Number 77 here. Pass to the corner. Enters. Lays up. Bucket is good. Plus 10 of the window. Won't go. And the rebound for Team NCR. Number 24 here. Lays. Left-handed lays. Bucket is good. One bounce. He's stolen. And number 5 here. Plays and a bucket is good. And rebound for Team NCR. Long pass. Eksakto yung pass. Fakes. No look pass there. Number 13. Pass to the middle. He stops. Tinignan yung guardia. Titira sa 3. Bang! Bullseye. 7. Pass to. And a cross pass. Number 4. Between the legs dribble. Di distansya. And again, bounce pass inside, fades away. No good. Battle for rebound, nasikwatan. Pasok yan, number 3. And nakangiti pa. Oop, naagawan dito. Liz, easy bucket for Northern Mindanao. It's no good. Rebound here, Team NCR. And nagmamadali si Idolo. Uy, binit-bit Liz. Bucket is good. Tinignan pa. Fires off the target. And ball possession here goes to Team NCR number 88. Picks. Oh! Oh! Talon ng talon. And here's number 4. The chest pass there. Wild open for 3. Off target. And the pass break. Number 88 again. Binit-bit. Easy bucket. The baseball pass there. Number 5, setting the play. Bounce pass to number 9. May pass back. Fakes. Drives, bumangga. Naagawan ng Candy. And here you go, 3-on-3, drives, pass to the corner, pass again to the corner, number 88, launches 3, bang! 3-point! And here you go, pull up J, basket and 1. Biglang pumukol ng 3. Air ball, face ball, pass break, bang! Kumalimbitin pa. And here's number 4, pass to the corner, dunk again! Ooh, wala! Floater shot. Ito ulit. Ooh, pasok ulit, number 8. May 1 supal palang inabot. And a pass break here, 2-on-1, pass number 31 using the window. Ooh, follow-up shot. Yung sa number 5, number 9. Oh! Binekos-mekos! Number 31, pass on the inside. Number 28, left-handed hook. Pasok. And passes, side step, lays, basket and 1. On here for Team NCR, no look pass. Number 8, pass to number 9. Easy bucket. Third quarter tayo mga idol. Northern Mindanao sa 3. Won't go, rebound here. Put back shot. 10. Basket is good. Number 31. Number 9. Number 6 to number 9. Corner pass to the middle again. Number 9. Number 6. And pass inside, alley-oop, pass and the finish. At naagaw dito for Minasa doon. It's love pass and the finish for Henry Roll. Number 6 for Team NCR. Atake mula sa gitna, lays it up, no good. Battle for rebound here. Number 31 recovers. Oop, rondo move, pinasa, pasok yan kay number 8. Base, pass break ngayon. Number 6 picks. Ang gandang pasa. Fires of the glass. CC bucket. And here's Northern Mindanao fakes. Number 4. Cross pass. Fires a triple. Bang! 3 points. Here's number 6 for Team NCR. No look pass inside, alley-oop pass and the finish, the connection. Number 2 here. Pass to number 29. Number 2, pass to the corner, to the mid. Number 29. Number 2, corner pass. Drives, bangs, fires, stop, pasok yan. Number 2. Natapikan, naagawan, 3-on-1, binitbit, nice pass to number 1, the dish and the finish. And here's Team NCR, number 88, number 2. Atake mula sa gilid, pinasahan sa gilid, lays, bucket is good. Oops, natapikan, number 29, lumusot, wala pa rin. Spin, see, strong move for the backdoor inbound. Number 28, 29 spins, fires, bucket is good, plus the Mekos. CR, National Capital Region, number 77, pass to the middle. Ang gandang pasa. Ooh, pasok yan. Sumigsag number 11, side step, fades away, bucket is good. Number 88, corner pass. Pass back, number 88, behind the back dribble now. And that's sakto yung pasa, lays, too strong. Rebound, put back shot, bucket is good. 25 seconds on the game clock, step back, fires a 3-ball. Rebound, number 4, setting the play. Stop looking at the back and stop, pull up J, the nets. And here's number 11. Corner pass here. Oh, the big man made it left-handed. Fires, basket and 1. And here's Northern Mindanao. Pass to number 5. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. And number 4, NCR. Number 77, corner pass. Spins. Drives. Bounce pass. Number 13, pull up J. Bucket is good. Rebound para. Behind the back. Sinasayaw. And a pass break again. And easy bucket. Fires 3. Bang! 3 points. And number 17. 77. Here's pull up J. Still rebound number 21. Bounce pass to the middle. Fires. One hook shot. Pasok yan. And fix. Fires 3. Bang! 3 points. Wala. At nagmamadali dito. Chest pass. Fires 3. No good. Put back shot off the glass. Bucket is good. NCR wide open for 3. Bang! Bullseye. Number 4. Drives. No look pass. Drive pull up J. Bucket is good. Long pass. Between the legs dribble. The chest pass. Attack. Side step. Fires off the window. Manny. No look pass there. Lays up. Bucket is good. Easy bucket. And here you go, Team Northern Mindanao. Behind the back pass na check ni Idol. Nagaw. Ganun ang depensa. Sigaw ang malupit of the glass. Basket is good. Nakangiti. For the inbound chest pass. Floater off the glass. Yes, sir. To the middle. Number 11. Fires a 3. Off target. Rebound. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Number 77. And in the middle. Number 9. Pass inside. Lamang ang tangkad. Sagad. Di na tumalon. Pinaglaruan. And here's Team NCR. National Capital Region. 2 minutes. 8 seconds left. Side step. Trinabel. Hanggang. Number 4. Bounce pass. Pull sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Stop. Corner pass. Par sa 3. In and out. Na libre. Bounce pass. Libre off the glass. Yes, sir. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team NCR. Tangkad sagad.